Looking good is feeling good. And the best way to look good is by glowing up. Imagine walking into a room and having everyone turn their heads to admire your style. That's the power of a glowing up. It's not just about looking good. It's about feeling good and radiating confidence. In this video, I will give you some glowing up tips. And if you seriously following them, you will become a real super guy. We can break down the concept of a glow up into two parts: long-term wins and short-term wins. Long-term wins involve activities that provide benefits over a longer period of time, such as regularly going to the gym, maintaining a healthy diet, and engaging in personal development activities. On the other hand, short-term wins refer to things that give you instant results, such as getting a haircut or using a pleasant fragrance. Let's start with long-term wins. Number one on our list is exercise. Nothing will you look and feel better like hitting the gym. Regular exercise can improve your health, strengthen bones and muscles, boost the immune system and testosterone, and reduce the risk of diseases. Any type of exercise can help reduce stress and anxiety, boost mood and self-confidence, and promote better sleep. If you want muscles, then buy a gym membership, and if you want to lose weight, then start doing outdoor sports activities like tennis, soccer, swimming, and basketball. Number 2. Skincare. Starting a skincare routine is crucial for achieving a glowing complexion. When initiating your routine, simplicity is key. Begin with a face wash or cleanser to cleanse your face, followed by a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Additionally, remember to apply sunscreen whenever you are exposed to the sun. Number 3. Diet. We are not dietitians, so we want to keep it simple. Fruits and vegetables are essential for health and improving the condition of your skin. Meats are a good source of protein, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. Carbohydrates provide energy to fuel your body. It's important to maintain your food intake according to your body's needs. Number 4. To achieve a glow up, it is important to eliminate bad habits such as smoking, reduce alcohol consumption, and prioritize sleep. These habits can make you appear tired, pale, and give your face an inflamed look, which is not very attractive. Short-term wins. Number 5. Always smell good. Regular bathing, using deodorant, and maintaining clean clothes contribute to a fresh and appealing fragrance. Number 6. Grooming. Pay attention to your grooming habits. Keep your facial hair neatly trimmed or styled to suit your face shape. Maintain a good haircut that complements your features. Number 4. Avoid the dreaded dry lips. There is nothing less attractive than having dry lips. A simple tip to prevent dry lips is to remember to brush your lips when you wake up in the morning. Train your voice. Developing a stronger and more confident voice can help men communicate effectively in both personal and professional ways. This can improve relationships and increase opportunities for career advancement. Number 9. Fashion and style. Wear clothes that fit you properly and suit your body type. Experiment with different styles and find what makes you feel confident. Add stylish accessories like a watch, belt, or sunglasses to enhance your overall look. Number 10. Meditation. Regular meditation practice can help calm the mind and improve mental clarity. It allows you to develop focus and concentration. It cultivates self-awareness, reduces stress, and promotes mental clarity.